Hey ladies, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Mitzi and I'm a paper girly. If you're a returner, welcome back. Okay ladies, it is the day. It is the day that I get to unpack my happy mail from The Coffee Monsters Co. If you're unfamiliar with The Coffee Monsters Co., it is a stationery company out of Surrey, BC, British Columbia, Canada. And it is ran by Helen Wang and her family and all of her little helpers. This one was packed by Evan. And this was, well, it is what I ordered from the anniversary sale. It was the anniversary in March, and I put in an order, and I just received it. And this, oh goodness gracious, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted so bad. It is pink, it is Coffee Monsters, and it is a pen case. Oh goodness, I need to fill it up right now. I need to fill it up with, all the cute pens. All the cute pens. Let me think. What do I want to put in here? I'm just gonna go with pink, I think. And let's see, what else? Oh, okay. Let me do this one. My Hobonichi pen. I haven't even opened it up. No, let me do this. Okay. Decisions. Anyway, yes, I have been wanting this little pen case, well, ever since I discovered it a couple of years ago when I saw it on the website. And at that time it was sold out, but she brought it back and now I have one. So excited about that. The next thing I got is, of course, I got washi tapes, and these are the washi tapes that I got this time. There were a few different ones, and I just picked out ones that I thought, you know what, I'll actually use these. I collect Helen's washi tape. Oh goodness, how come I can't find the beginning of this? I have realized that I am a collector of washi tape from Helen. I am not necessarily a user of washi tape from Helen because, well, I don't know why I don't use it. I don't know why. It's just so cute. I mean, look at this. It is a die-cut washi tape. It has a little emojis on it. It is so cute. It's a little neighborhood. And gosh, I just love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. And I had speedy fingers. Now, when you go onto her website, to order things, if she is having a drop, you have to have the speediest of fingers to get your orders in. So it is difficult to get. I will say that it is difficult to get because it is so popular. It is so popular in the planner world. And though I'm not necessarily a planner anymore, I'm more of a journaler, I still enjoy getting Helen stuff. And so here we have another washi tape. It's branded on the inside. That's how you know that it's authentic. And this is a bookshelf. I mean, look at this. Another die-cut washi tape. And this is the year that I said I'm going to try to use all my stuff. And so I'm going to try to use more of Helen's stuff as well. Even though I just mentioned that I'm more of a collector than a user of Helen's stuff just because it is so dang cute. It is so dang cute that I have a hard time using it. But I love giving it away in Happy Mail. I love giving it away to my friends that are planners and journalers. And then, honestly, I know it's ridiculous. I just love looking at it. And then this last one here is just the regular washi tape, the regular size washi tape, not a die-cut washi tape. But look at this. I mean, if you are a journaler or a pen lover or a notebook lover or a fountain pen user, any of those things, like we all are that are here probably watching this, look at that. I mean, oh my gosh, that has everything and anything that I could imagine that brings me joy when it comes to, my paper girly world. So those are the 3 washi tapes that I was able to get. I mean, look at this. Stickers and little scissors. Oh, this is adorable. So I'm going to try to get this back on here just so very carefully. Oh gosh, I probably shouldn't have pulled it out, but I wanted you guys to see it. I wanted you guys to see this beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then I got this, and this is just, a little charm with a little pink fountain pen. I mean, that is me. That is me to a T. And then the next thing I got, oh girls. Again, something else that I have just been wanting and wanting. This little bag. This little pin bag. And look at this. I mean, it's got the cutest little branding. It pops up like this. And the idea behind this, let me grab my pins. Hold on a second. The idea behind this is that it is big enough, it is tall enough to hold Tombow pins. Look at this. Oh, I just can't get over how cute it is. Again, one of those things that she had before, and then it wasn't available, and then I couldn't find it. So look at that. They fit in. They fit in perfectly. They fit in perfectly, and then let me throw a couple more in so I can kind of show you what this is all about, because I just think this is genius. And yes, have I seen it other places? Yes, I have, but the first place that I actually saw a bag like this was on Helen's website. And I might have seen it on her Instagram first and then on her website, because that's where I discovered Helen, on her Instagram. It popped up into my feed, and of course, I went just freaking bananas over it. So that closes, and then when you open it up, you could just stand it on your desk, and it just has your pins. I mean, that is fabulous. And I'm so excited that I finally got that. Okay, so honestly, that is all, the big items that I picked up from the anniversary sale. The other things that I got here are just a couple little things that, I had in my wish list. I always have a running wish list of Helen stuff. Oh, hold on a second. I got one other thing. One other thing. Let me see. Okay, so you have the little card, and it is all little picture, and oh, look at that. It's about Seattle. The little picture has Seattle about. Oh, I remember when she took her trip out here, or down here, and then a little writing from Helen. I'll use that and throw it inside my journal, and then I got two vinyl stickers for the anniversary sale. And those came for free. They were gifts from Helen and the crew. And then I forgot that I ordered this. But first off, yes, this is for every month. She has a little mini sticker sheet that you get with your orders. And so, oh, yeah, that looks like that. So I collect these, and I don't ever use them. I just collect those, to be honest. And then I got this. I love these little plastic envelopes. These little plastic envelopes for holding stickers and ephemera, pop whatever I want to put in there just to store it. I have probably about 3 or 4 different versions, and so I had to get another one. And then you have the journal card, and I just stick these in my journal. I just stick them in. I think it's beautiful artwork. She does just the most whimsical little artwork. So I was really good, ladies, and I just got the things that I just had to have, and then I got just an additional 4 sticker sheets. And this one I thought was really cute because it has, the pins, the papers, all the paper stuff. And then this one is Michael's, and we all know I love Michael's, and I thought this was really cute. And then IKEA. I had just gone to IKEA when this dropped, and so I thought, the little IKEA bags, I mean, how cute is this? The Swedish meatballs, everything that I love about IKEA. And then this last one I thought is perfect because I am an Amazon Prime girly. Thanks for letting me share my haul with you. Until next time, from one paper girly to another.